Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought a new and amazing project, so don't skip the video from anywhere and watch the video completely till the end so that you can understand the whole project and generate maximum earning through it. So guys, if you are new to our channel and did not subscribe our channel, so first of all subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of every upcoming new video of ours. In the link bar you can see there is a link by the name of dankboy.com. I will provide this link in the description of the video. As you click on it, you will come to this website whose interface is currently in front of you. So as Dank on Ethereum, at the top you can see some of its tab in which about story, tokenomics, roadmap, how to buy and docs are available here. So you must join its social media communities also, in which Telegram and Twitter are given here, so that you can get its news and updates through these communities. Since Dank wasn't officially announced by as a boys club member, his mission is to make it into the club. Meet Dunk. Dunk, the enigmatic and audacious characters behind our meme token. With his wild escapes and unpredictable nature, Dank embodies the thrill and excitement that defines our community. From daring adventures to unexpected twists, Dank is the master of mischief, always pushing the boundaries and keep us on our toes. Join us as we embark on an exhilarating journey with Dank, taking the crypto world by storm. Next you can see its story in Dank dream. Dank stared at the myriad of charts swirling on his computer screen, each line a testament to his widening hopes and failures. The digital clock blinked 4:20 a.m., but sleep was a distant dream. He had promised himself that his would be the year of he would finally make it. Investment would pay off, but now looking at the red arrows cascading like a waterfall, he felt the weight of his choices pressing down on him. So next you can see its tokenomics, in which 100 million, its total supply is 0% tax, 80% liquidity, and LP tokens will be burnt, 10% for team, 5% for CEX, and 5% reserved also. So next you can see its token address, which you can copy from here and buy its token. So in roadmap it have some phases. In phase 1, community launch, token launch. Launch the Dank token with the fair and transparent distribution, ensuring accessibility and transparency for all. Initial marketing, kick off marketing campaigns across social media platforms to raise awareness and engagement. Dank Fund release a token launchpad D app that provides the most secure, transparent investor protecting service. In phase 2, expanding influence exchange listing, secure listing on top centralized exchanges to increase liquidity and exposure. Staking D app release a staking D app that provides exclusive rewards to stakers and referrers with the Dank tokens. Growing community, expand our community to 20,000 holders, enhancing our market presence and reach. So next in phase 3, you can see ecosystem development in it. Gaming integration, create a groundbreaking game that integrates our token and NFT, offering rewards and engaging experience. Community milestone, aims for a thriving community of 100,000 holders, establishing a strong and loyal base. DAO formation, establish a robust DAO to give our community a direct say in the future direction and development of the Dank token. So here you can see its buying method. So first of all, you create a wallet, download and set up your wallet of choice. We recommend MetaMask. You can download the expectation of use the mobile app for free. Make sure to keep your recovery phrase safe and do not share it with anyone. Secondly, if your wallet doesn't have Ethereum, you can purchase it directly through MetaMask, transfer it from another wallet, or buy it on a decentralized exchange and then withdraw it to your wallet. So next go to Uniswap. Visit app.uniswap.org. MetaMask mobile features on integrated browser. To connect your wallet, then paste the Dank address into the field to specify the token you wish to exchange your Ethereum for. In the last, select the amount you wish to trade, click swap and confirm the transaction. Where your wallet prompts you confirm the action. Congratulations, you are now a proud holder of Dank. So in the last, you can see some of its social media communities and its documentation, in which it have a white paper, so you must read out its white paper so that you can understand the whole project and generate maximum earning through it. So here you can see its social media communities, in which Telegram and Twitter are given here, so you must join these communities to get its updates. On Telegram, you can see it have 253 subscribers, so same as you can see it have Twitter community, which have 517 followers. So you can get its updates and its events as a form of tweets, so you can retweet them to get help. So guys, that's the project today I review. I hope this video is very informative for you. Take care. Thanks.